So we are now in the airport. I don't have to do self-checking. So parang if you are, pero it's just a local travel lang. But if you don't, like, if you have things, you can do self-check-in here. Ayan. So self-checking. But yeah, I did check in during my online. So I suggest you process everything online, like even if ano kayo, ayun. Even if that you guys have to go or travel internationally, you have to process it online. So I'll be just entering to the domestic departure. So this is just very quick. I don't have things to check in naman kasi already checked my baggage online yesterday pa. Para hindi hassle. So may boarding pass ka na. But if you want to print the boarding pass, like for example, meron naman ditong printing ng boarding pass. Pero really suggesting to do everything online. Kasi mas mabilis. Ayan. It's easy. So, you just need to... Thank you. Ayan. Medyo iba na din talaga itsura ng domestic departure. If you're gonna compare from before, kasi mas maganda na siya. Yeah. Hindi, like, yeah, mas maaliwalas, ganun. I really appreciate the things na if to compare mo siya dati, malayo na siya kasi it's really modern na yung style ng airport. And yeah. So, balikan ko kayo. I'll just go through the security area lang. So, pag sa security area, suggest ko na remove na your watch, anything, ganyan, yung phone, yung laptop kasi you will have to remove that. Kung nakasapatos kayo, minsan pinapatanggal nila, pero slippers lang naman ako today, so hindi ko kailangan tanggalin. Ayun. So, yun. Maaga pa naman ako, so I think I have to get some coffee kasi yeah, hindi pa ako nagpo-coffee. So, ang ganda na dito talaga, promise, unlike before. Tapos tignan nyo, meron na silang mga food, and then the food stalls here, yung food village here, maganda na yung design niya. Pakita ko sa inyo. Cozy kitchen. Hindi, parang gusto ko lang coffee. I still have some time pa naman to like ikot-ikot, ayun, and then kasi 4:45 pa naman yung boarding time ko. When you enter the domestic departure, pagpasok nyo lang, right, so makikita nyo na tong food only. So, pwede kayo magstay here kung hindi pa kayo pa-depart or hindi pa boarding time. So, ayun. Pero suggest ko like, siguro kung mga 5 minutes. Dapat malapit na kayo sa boarding area no? Dahil mahirap na. I'll just get some of mocha po. Opo.
In additional po, take-out boxes po.
No na. No, thank you. So, bakit nga po ako nasa airport today? Nasa airport ako kasi susunod ako sa husband ko. So, he has a work trip. So, sayang naman. And then, weekend na kasi after. So, sasunod na lang ako para makapag-travel kami. We'll go to Kawasan Falls. Magka-canyoneering kami and also muwal-buwal para sa free diving. Though, hindi ako marunong free dive. Ayan. So, I just get a coffee from Cinnamon. Yeah. Kahit dito na kayo sa boarding gate, meron pang mga food like Army Navy. May Contis and Krispy Kreme. I'm traveling or flying alone. First time ko to. And it's my first time flying alone, so hindi pa ako nakakapag-fly ng mag-isa. So, first time ko to. So, since yun nga, nasubukan na kapag travel naman ako before, hindi lang naman ito yung first time or second or third time ko na mag-fly. Kabisado ko na yung process kung paano pumunta. And also, syempre, yung husband ko din is lagi siya nagpo-fly din. So, ayun. So, it's easy na lang for me. Ayan. Um, so, yun. Just like what I mentioned earlier, the reason why I'm going to Cebu is because we're gonna have a trip after this work trip. I think they have event in Cebu. But he normally goes to Cebu because they have office, they are their main office in Cebu, um, but he's based here in Manila. So, ayun. So after their event, tomorrow, hindi, ano ba ngayon, today? Oh, yeah, today, tomorrow, we will gonna travel to Mualbual and also to, ayun, Kawasan Falls. We're gonna take the canyoneering. It's our first time. Canyoneering sa Badian. Um, so, tomorrow yon. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung hotel namin kasi pa-follow lang ako sa kanya. Ayun. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung hotel namin. So, follow ko yun. Though, ako yung nag ng hotel namin sa Badian or sa Mualbual. So, ako nang bahala doon. And also, nakausap ko na rin naman yung hotel. So, madali na yun. And then, yung sa Cebu lang, sa Cebu City, hindi ko alam kung ano yung hotel namin. So, ay, Tapos, hindi ko na matandaan. Sana gising siya mamaya pag land ko. Kasi may pasok naman siya later ng 8. So, I hope ang land ko naman around 7. So, sabi niya, from Cebu Airport, it would take like around 45 minutes pa daw papunta doon. Tsaka traffic, tsaka depende daw kung ma-traffic or hindi. Ayan. So, ano bang kapag nandito na kayo, huwag kayong masyadong ma-overwhelm. Huwag din kayo masyadong matakot magtanong kasi definitely madami namang staff here in the airport and you can definitely ask questions. Ang susuggest ko lang, so di ba yun nga, unang-una is to prepare your online check-in, lalo na kung hindi naman kayo mag-check ng baggage. Kasi if you are just using your free 7 kilos, so you can just do like online check-in na lang, I suggest. Make sure lang that there's no any liquid item na more than 100 ml, like yung mga lotions, ganyan, pabango, or yan, perfume, yung mga ganon. Your serums, yan, your facial serums, facial wash, it should not be more than 100 ml para hindi din ito hassle sa inyo. Tsaka, pag nag-online check-in din naman kayo, dito, nag-online check-in din naman kayo, hindi naman din siya, nandun naman siya, may reminder din naman yon. Tapos yun, pag nasa security check na kayo, make sure lang that if you have water or tumblers, make sure, or any drinking or any drinks, make sure lang na spill out nyo na kasi dapat walang tubig. So, kung kailangan nyo naman ng tubig, may mga tubig naman dito pagpasok sa loob ng boarding gate. May mga water fountain here, so pwede na kayong mag-refill ng water nyo sa mga tumblers nyo. Ayun, yun lang. So, those are the things. So, parang medyo hassle-free yung pagpasok mo dito sa airport. So, yun. I'm just waiting for my boarding time. For boarding. The boarding naman is 5:45. So 35 pa lang naman. So, I still have 10 minutes. Mag-aantay pa muna ako. So, yan. Balikan ko na lang kayo later. So I just arrived here. Pero mag-withdraw muna ako. It's actually my first time here in Cebu. So mag-withdraw lang tayo first. A bit because I don't have any cash. I think 100 pesos lang. Just arrived here in Cebu. Nakapag-withdraw na rin ako. Book lang ako ng Grab. Punta ng hotel. So my husband is already there. We have duty free here. Yun. Ano mahirap kasi hindi ko siya alam kasi it's my first. Ito ba? I saw someone, vlogger siya that's like, that she's married from Indian. I think nakita ko yung vlog niya sa, sa Facebook. Alright, so we just arrived and this is our hotel room for tonight. Wait, I'll just let you see what's outside. So inayos ko pa talaga yung room. So this is the hallway of the hotel where you're staying here in the Quest Hotel for tonight. Tapos tomorrow we will move to Mawal Bawal na. So this is our hotel. Hold on. Ayan. So this is how our hotel looks like. So, ay. Oh my God! Nakalimutan ko yung car. Forgot the key card. Nakalimutan ko yung key card sa loob ng home. Ay, excuse me. Pwedeng pa-help? Nakalimutan ko yung key card sa loob. No worry. Oh, okay. Ah, thank you. Sobrang tanga ko. Nakalimutan ko yung key card sa loob. Kaka-vlog yan. Ayan. Talaga naman. Tanga. Jeez. Thank you. Thank you. Yan, kasi mag-breakfast sana ako. Tapos may yung keycard pa. Buti lang, they're really helpful here. So, they help me naman so that I can enter. So, ayan. Let me show you my OOTD for today. This is how I look like. But of course, hold on. Just change slippers. Pag may bukas. So, what I like here in the room is they have really a big mirror. So, and behind the mirror is actually a cabinet. Yan. So they also have mini bar here. So if you wanted to, take food, yan, it will just be charged to the room. So there's also mini bar or fridge, safe, safe of course. And then hindi ko masyado nang papakita yung iba since medyo dirty na yung dito kasi it's the dirty clothes of my husband. So, baka may mga chismis kayo makita. Also, here's their restroom. So, ano lang, they're just tapat lang to each other. So, this is the restroom. There. So, it's a decent CR restroom, I'd say, or bathroom. So, this is where you have to go number 1 or number 2, and then use the shower. So then after that, so this is where you can put in your things. Yan, dito na namin. This is the TV, the bed. So very straight to the point. Mirror, so they also gave us some welcome treats. So hindi pa namin nakakain. Probably later na lang. We'll see. Hindi ito masisira siguro. Won't spoil. And then, yeah, the bed. Tapos here's our view. Our view is the Ayala Malls. So, yan. So, we are in Ayala Mall. So, probably I'll go there later. Sa Ayala Mall. Nagtatikot ako. And I'll see. I'll check what will I see here. So, yeah. So, that's the room tour. And I'm gonna go down so that I can check the breakfast. I don't need breakfast, pero we'll try the breakfast. So, baba ako. I hope hindi na ako tanga-tanga that I bring na my e-card. So, the breakfast is until 10. We'll see if I can still eat breakfast. It's just 9:46. So, someone will assist you to a table. So, this is their juice bar. And then, if you want tuna canapé sandwich, you will try. Well, these are cold cuts. Hindi ko na alam paano ko kakainin yung mga breads na pinakukuha ko. Ayoko siyang sayangin. Clean it up for them as well. Parang kahit saan naman din, kahit paano we clean it up. Para hindi naman mahirapan lang ayos. The husband is already in in their event. So, hindi na rin siya nag-breakfast kasi kakain din daw naman sila doon. So, ayun. Ako na lang yung nag-breakfast. Technically, this is already brunch. So, I just got out from Ayala Mall, Cebu. I'll be going to Abli. Nirecommend siya ng husband ko sa akin. So, it's just me alone roaming around the Cebu City. Nagising ako, anong oras na? Like, I woke up like around uh, 2:30 p.m. And then I prepped the suit for my husband earlier because, he'll be attending a different event na ngayon. So, he's there. Probably um, gonna be late later. I go home late na. So, it's just me roaming around the Cebu City. So, it's hard to really to book Grab here. Kaya I just book, um, what do you call this? I just book Move It. So, ayan. Grabe, puno sila kanina. Parang wala pa masyadong tao ng pagdating ko. Doon nakaupo na ako sa their area nila. The downside lang is, maliit lang talaga yung restaurant. So parang 5 tables inside, and then they have bar area. So maliit lang talaga yung food, yung area nila for the food. Though they have seating din sa labas, pero they are not serving food sa labas. So it's more of a cafe lang. So yun. May nahanap lang ako, and then I'll go out na. I'll check the news cartoon. Hindi ko na punta. So it's just me. I'm here na in Abri. So show you there and share there and there. Menu. This is their Morta Yema. Sana maubos. Oh, they were featured din pala sa feature. And then they are Michelin selected, Michelin Guide selected. Thank you.
With that.